Hey everyone, I'm really excited. We just got our plants in, our liners. So I'm going to open those up and show you what those look like when they come in. Okay? Okay, here we have them. So these came, I actually ordered these from a broker who I've ordered plants from before. I've actually ordered a lot of different plants from this broker over the years. And they actually source these plants from different nurseries. So this tray here is Gora, which is a whirling butterfly. Really pretty plant, grows well here. And this came from one nursery. That's why it was packed a little bit different. And then I don't know if you guys saw how these 4 trays were packed. So these came from a different nursery. And so they were packed a little bit differently, and they had a 4-tray minimum. And what we have here is, let's see if you can see. So this first tray here is called Hemilia patens, or Mexican firebush. The second tray is a type of shrimp plant. It's called fruit cocktail. This tray is chase tree or vitex. This variety is called Shoal Creek. And then I can't remember. Oh yeah, I got some night blooming jasmine in this tray. This also grows really well here and it blooms at night. So yeah, so we have about, I'm not sure, I can't remember if these are, some of these are 100 plugs, some of these are 70, 72 plugs. So we have about, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 400 plants here or so. All right, you guys, we're going to get these in the shade, get them in the greenhouse, and we'll start potting them up soon.